everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is a vlog. As you can see, I got myself ready and I used false lashes for the first time in many years. It's my husband and I 10th wedding anniversary, which is so crazy. And yeah, we're going out for some drinks. So I thought I'd go for a little bit more of a glam look. I'm not sure if the lashes are too big for my eyes, but we're just gonna roll with it today. So yeah, I will bring you guys along. If you are excited for a new vlog, don't forget to give the huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And now let's get started. So we found a parking place just outside the center. We're going now for a little walk and then for some drinks. So I got some nice jewelry from my husband and now we're going out for some cocktails. It is very hard to walk here. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, we're going up. So we made it to the castle bar. As you can see, you have this gorgeous view. So we just came from Castle Bar and it's amazing. It's a gorgeous little cocktail bar with an amazing view over the marina in Marmaris. I would highly recommend it. So it's been a while since the last time I vlogged. After our anniversary we got a very bad cold, like my voice was completely gone, and Aksel's coming into the room. Aksel was also not feeling well, so yeah, I'm finally feeling better, and I decided to sort out Aksel's clothing. And about the cocktail bar we went to, it was so nice there. It's called the Castle Bar. Highly recommended if you want to go for some nice drinks. They have so many options. Just a very amazing place in general. So yeah, if you're looking for a nice place, definitely go there. So yesterday I decided to sort out Aksel's clothing. There's a girl that is expecting a boy and that lives nearby, and I also know a girl that has a boy that is a little bit younger than Aksel. And because we are not going for a second one, I just decided to sort everything out. It takes a lot of space, all his clothes, so I just decided to get rid of everything. We are very happy with our healthy boy, and yeah, I don't think we will get another baby. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. So I'm sorting everything out, lots of clothes here. This bag is full of clothing that he still can wear this fall and winter, so I'm not going to get rid of this. Then I've got some more clothes in some bags, and yeah, I'm going just to sort out everything. I'm first going now with Aksel to the park because he got lots of energy. So I'm going to the park, go for a little walk, and then when we get back I will continue sorting everything out. So we just got back from the park and Aksel really loves these etikong snacks. These are with strawberry, and yeah, if you have a toddler or a child, these are a hit. He absolutely loves these. So I'm going through Aksel's clothing and I'm sorting everything out. Some baby stuff for the baby and some older things for the older kid. It actually makes me quite emotional to get rid of everything. Like, I know we don't want another baby, but still, I don't know, it makes me quite emotional. I just keep a few things just yeah, that I have that memory of Aksel, and maybe for his future kids, who knows. But yeah, I don't know. Let me know if other moms have this as well. So I'm still going through bags of clothing and I'm watching a vlog of the new area of Disneyland Paris. Oh my god, it looks so amazing. The new Arendelle, the frozen area looks amazing. Yeah, I know that a lot of people who watch my videos also love Disney. So let me know if you also already watched some vlogs. But yeah, I can't wait to see it. Okay, that took me a very long time, but I finally sorted everything out. I've got the bigger clothing in there and then the smaller things in here. I just kept a few things that are like sentimental that I just really loved, and yeah, I'm just going to keep those. And there was also one t-shirt with lots of Mickeys on it, and I cut those out. And I thought maybe it would be fun to DIY like a backpack or maybe a jacket. So yeah, I'm also going to keep those. I also gathered all of my empties, so I'm also going to film soon a empties video, so stay tuned for that. Aksel is sleeping and I'm going to take a shower, and I'm also going to have an early night. I had a very productive day today. I'm glad that I went through all of his clothes, and I really hope that some other children will enjoy his clothing. Like, it feels kind of sad but also kind of good, you know, to go through everything. It's just saying goodbye to a part of your life, you know, the newborn stage, the toddler stage, and now he's like 3.5. It's just like a new phase, and getting rid of his clothing is like kind of closing that chapter. And like, my husband and I know that we don't want another baby because of, you know, my pregnancy diabetes, risks for the baby, for myself, and just a bunch of other reasons. But still, it's kind of sad to say goodbye to that phase of your life. I don't know if someone can relate to that. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give the huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I hope to see you guys very soon in one of my other videos. Bye!